plus 2 and 7 over 12. To find the result of this example, you must find the least common multiplication between two denominators. 12 can divide by 4, then 12 is the least common multiplication between two denominators here. Then we must write 4 outside, it's a whole number, and it will be 12. 3 times 4 equal 12, and 3 times 1 equal 3. Write 2, and then write 12 in denominator, and write 7. 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 3 plus 7 equals 10, 10 over 12. And then we can simplify it by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. The highest common factor between 10 and 12, it will be 2. Okay, 10 divided by 2 equal 5, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. The result will be 6 and 5 over 6. Enter B, 7 and 1 over 5 plus 3 and 4. We have 5 and 4. It's relatively prime numbers. We can find the least multiplication between two denominators here by finding their product. 4 times 5 equal 20. Then write 20 here and 7. 4 times 5 equal 20, and 4 times 1 equal 4. And then write 3. 4 times 5 equal 20, and 1 times 5 equal 5. 7 plus 3 equal 10. And then write 20 in numerator. 4 plus 5 equal 9. The result will be 10 and 9 over 20. It's the simplest result about this example. Okay, we must write in numbers in simplest form. Next question, letter C. We have 4 and 2 over 5 subtract by 3 and 1 over 4. We can find the least common multiplication between two numbers. 4 and 5, we call it relatively prime numbers. Then 4 by 5 equal 20, and 4 by 2 equal 8, and 5 by 1 equal 5. And then write 20 in numerator. And then 4 minus 3 equal 1, write 20 in numerator. 8 minus 5 equal 3. The result will be 1 and 3 over 20. Question letter D. 7 and a half subtract by 3 and 3/4. We call it 3/4, okay? 4 and 2. 4 can divide by 2, then 4 is the least common multiplication between two denominators. Write 7 here and 4 in denominator. 2 by 2 equal 4, and 2 times 1 equal 2. Write 3 in denominator, 3 here outside is the whole number, and 4 here, don't change the numerator, okay? Because the highest common factor between 4 and 2 is 2, and the least common multiplication between them equal 4. Then 4 and 4, okay? Next step, find the difference. Write 7 here, and 7 minus 3 equal 4. 7 minus 3 equal 4. 2 minus 3, no, we can't do it. So we must put 1, because 2 minus 3, we can't do it. Okay, don't write negative 1, okay? You must put 1 from 7. 7 will be 6. And 1 equals 7 over 7. 7 over 7 or 4 over 4. You must convert 1 here. Put 1 from 7, it will be 6. And 1 will be 4 over 4. 4 over 4 plus 2 over 4, it will be 6 over 4. Okay, or change 7 will be 6, and 8, 4. Add 4 to this number 2, it will be 6, 6 over 4, okay? You must know this step, it's important, okay? Pay attention about this step, okay? And don't write 2 minus 3 equal 1, no, it's wrong. You must borrow 1 from 7, it will be 6, and 2 over 4, it will be 6 over 4. You must add numerator to the numerator here and write the result in the numerator, and the right numerator only here. And next step, you can find the difference. It's very easy for you. 6 minus 3 equal 3, and then write 4 in the numerator, and 6 minus 3 equal 3. The result will be 3 and 3 over 4. It's the simplest form about question letter D. Now we will solve the question number 10. Look at with me and pay attention about what the problems you hear. Question number 10. Reading with me. Ahmed has 5 and 3/4 Egyptian lira, and the Tamer has 15.5 Egyptian lira. Find out the total sum of what they have together, or altogether we must add two fractions to find the total. Question number 10. We have 5 and 3/4 plus 15.5. 4 can divide it by 2, then 4 is the least common multiplication between two denominators. Write 5 here and 4 and 3, and write 15. Write 4 here. 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 1 equal 2. 10 plus 5 equal 20, and then write 4 in the numerator. 3 plus 2 equal 5. You must simplify it because 5 greater than 4. 5 divided by 4 equal 1, and remainder 1. You can write 20 plus 1 and 1 over 4, and then you must add 1 to 20, it will be 21 and fourths. Okay, the result will be Egyptian lira. 21 and fourths Egyptian lira. Question 11. Shaima put a pen for 9.5 pounds, a ruler for 5 and 4/5 pounds, and a notebook for pounds. How much did Shaima pay? We can find what Shaima paid by add all the numbers of fractions, or okay, 9.5 pounds, the price of pen and the price of roll 5 and fourths, and the price of notebook 4 pounds. Okay, first we must find the result between two fractions first using commutative properties. Okay, and associative here, associative properties. About the denominator, it will be 4 and 9, because 4 is the least common multiplication between two denominator. 2 times 2 equal 4, and 2 times 1 equal 2. And then 9 plus 5 equal 14, and write 4 in the numerator. 2 plus 1 equal 3, and here 4. 14 plus 4 equal 18, and 3/4 the result. So the result here will be 18 and 3/4 pounds, or 18 and 3/4 pounds. It was question 11. And then question number 12. Look at with me about question number 12. Wael collected 3 and 3/4 kilograms of dates and gave 2 and 1/5 kilograms to his friend. How many kilograms left with Wael? Left's remainder. You can find the difference between two numbers to find the left. 3 and 3/4 subtract by 2 and 1/5. Okay, we must find the least common multiplication between two denominator. 5 times 4 equal 20, because 5 and 4 we call it relatively prime numbers. Then the least common multiplication between 5 and 4 is will be 20. Then write 3 here outside and 2 outside, and write 20 into denominators. 4 by 5 equal 20. 5 by 3 equal 15. And then 20 here in the numerator. 5 times 4 equal 20. 4 times 1 equal 4. Find the difference. 3 minus 2 equal 1, and then write 20 in the numerator. 15 minus 4 equal 11. The result will be 1 and 11/20 kilogram. Question 13. A road is 15 kilogram long. Okay, it's a long about the road. We have the road here, and the long of the road is 15 kilometer. Okay, again, a road is 15 kilometer long. It's paved in 3 stages. The first stage 6.25 kilometer in the first stage, 4.5 kilometer in the second stage. How long the distance paved in the third stage? Okay, we have the rule here is the route, and the long about the road was 15 kilometer. It's a long. We divided this route in 3 parts. We want to find the third distance here. He give us the first stage here 4.5 kilometer, and second stage here 4.5 kilometer, and the first stage 6.25 kilometer. We want to find the third. To find the third stage here, you must add first stage to the second stage, and the result subtract from the long of the route. Okay, then we can find the distance in third stage. The third, write the total distance, subtract the sum of first 6.25 and second 4.5. Right here 50 subtract by 5 and 2, the height common factor between them equal 10, because 5 and 2 we call it relatively prime numbers. Write 10 in numerator, and 2 times 5 equal 10, 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 5 equal 10, 1 times 5 equal 5, and then write 15 here, and 10, 4 plus 5 equal 9, 15 here, subtract by 9 over 10. You must convert from whole numbers to mixed number. 15 will be 14 and 1 will be 10 over 10. Okay, to find the difference between two numbers, subtract by 9 over 10, and then you can write 14 here, and 10 minus 9 equal 1, and denominator 10. The result will be here 14 and 10. Okay, I forget to write 6 plus 4 equal 10. Okay, I forget 6 plus, don't forget. Okay, 6 plus 4 equal 10, and 14 minus 10 equal 4. Then the result will be 4 and 1 over 10 kilometer. Okay, it's the distance paved in the third stage. Question number 14. Compare using more than or less than or equal to. 3 and 2, 3 greater than 2, and negative 67 less than negative 5, negative 8 less than 5, absolute value of negative 1.5 greater than negative 1.5 because it will be positive, and 3 and 4, absolute value of 3 and 4 and 4 and third, it will be greater than, it will be positive and positive, and 4 greater than 3, negative 3.8 or negative 1.8, it will be greater than this number because nearest to 0. 5.07 or absolute value of negative 5.07, it will be equal to, absolute value to be equal to this number. Absolute value of negative 2.5, absolute value of negative 3.6, this number will be greater than, it will be positive, cancel the negative here, this number will be greater, and negative 0.7 and absolute value of negative 0.7, this number will be greater than because it will be positive. Question number 15. Arrange the order ascending and descending. First step, we must find the result in absolute value about the first number. We have here 8 and negative 17, and absolute value of negative 3, it will be 3, and absolute value of negative 9, it will be 9, and absolute value of 12, it will be 12. Then we can find the arrange here, or you can write the result from left hand side to right hand side. Arrange here, it will be negative 17, and here we have, it was negative 9 only. Okay, negative 9, not absolute value. Okay, and positive will be 3, was absolute value of negative 3, 8, and the last one, it will be 12 here, absolute value. And descending order, you must write the inverse about all the result. Absolute value of 12, 8, absolute value of negative 3, negative 17. Next question. We have fractions here. You must find the least common multiplication between all denominator. We have negative 3 over 4 and 5 over 8 and 1 over 2, 3 over 4 and 1 over 4. We can convert this number to find the least common multiplication between all denominator. It will be 8. Least common multiplication, it will be equal 8. Then we must convert this number. It will be 8 here. 2 times 4 equal 8, and 2 times 3 equal 6. And here, and this number times 4 equal 8. 1 times 4 equal 4. And 3 over 8, 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 times 3 equal 6. 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 times 1 equal 2. then the order here, you want to find arrange ascending order from least to greatest. Write the negative number first here, write the original number, it will be negative 3 over 4, and this number 2 over 8 will be fourth, and 4 over 8 will be half, and 5 over 8, and the last one 3 over 4 is 6 over 8. And it was ascending order, and descending order, we write 3 over 4 first and 5 over 8, the inverse from right hand side to left hand side, have fourth, negative 3 over 4, last one. Okay, follow order performed, find the value of each example. We have the order of operation, we know parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve. Okay, letter A, look at with me, we have 48 divided by 8 times 2. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. Letter B, 4 plus 5 times 6. We know 5 times 6 equals 30, and 4 plus 30 equals 34. Letter C, 15 divided by 3 plus 7. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Letter D, 5 times 2 plus 3 times 4. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 plus 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Then 10 plus 12 equal, it will be 22. Next question. Letter E, 3 plus 6 times 2 is 3 plus 6 equal 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. Question letter F, 3 times 9 minus 4 minus 10. 3 times 9 minus 4 equal 5. First, parentheses first, and multiplication, 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 10 equal 5. Question letter G, 3 power 2 plus 2 times 5. 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 plus 10 equal 19. The result here will be 19. Question H, 3 times 2 power 3 divided by 12. We know 2 power 3 equal 8. Three times 2 power 3 equal 8, and divided by 12. 3 times 8 equal 24. 24 divided by 12 equal 2. Question letter I, 2 power 4 minus 1 divided by 3 power 2 minus 4. 2 power 4 equals 16 minus 1 divided by 3 power 2 equal 9 minus 4. 16 minus 1 equal 15, and 9 minus 4 equal 5. 15 minus 5 equal 3. Next question. Find the value of algebraic expression in each of the following. Okay, question letter E, you want to find the value of this expression at letter E here, at A equal 2. Okay, we have 4A minus 15 divided by 3. Okay, at A equal, it's a plus or divided? Okay, divided. At A equal 2. Okay, we can find the result about this expression, put a equal to here. 4 times 2 equal 8 minus 15 divided by 3. Write 8, subtract 15 divided by 3 equal 5, and 8 minus 5 equal 3. The result will be 3. Question letter B. Examples here. 6b plus 3 divided by 7 if b equals 3. Then we can find the value, but b equals 3 here. 6 times 3 equal 18 plus 3 divided by 7. 18 plus 3 equal 21. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Next question letter C. We have j power 2 subtract 32 divided by 8 if g equal 5. Okay, put j here equal 5. It will be 5 power 2 subtract 32 divided by 2 equal 4. 5 power 2 it will be 25 minus 4 it will be 21. The result here it will be 21. Letter D. Three power b plus 6 times b power 2 subtract by 3 if b equal 2. Put b equal to here, then the result of the expression will be, write b equal to here, it will be 3 power 2 plus 6 times here 2 power 2 minus 3. 3 power 2 equal 9, and 2 power 2 equal 4. 4 minus 3 equal 1. 1 times 6 equal 6. Okay, 9 plus 6 it will be 15. Question 18. Write a mathematical expression that express each of the following solution. Basim runs 1 kilometer in 15 minutes. The number of kilometers that runs in t minutes is what? We can find product between two numbers to find. Okay, he give us the number again. Basim runs 1 kilometer in, okay, letter A. Basim runs 1 kilometer. Okay, look at with me about steps. 1 kilometer in 15 minutes. Okay, the number of kilometers is that Basim runs in t minutes. We can find it by using product about extremes and means. Then the number that Basim runs in t minutes will be what? T times 1 divided by 15. Then the result t multiplication by 1 over 15. The result will be t over 15. It's the result. About letter A, the result will be t over 15. Okay, letter B. In a car park, an amount of 10 pounds is collected for parking that car for first hour, and 5 pounds are added for each hour of waiting after the first hour. That amount collected for parking the car of for each hours after the first hour is what? Okay, we have the constant here 10 and 5. The constant here 10 pounds. Okay, 10 pounds is the constant, and in each hour we will bid 5 pounds. So we must write 10 and 5 multiplications the number of hours. The number of hours will be h. So the expression will be 10 plus 5 hours. If he stand by his car 1 hour, we must put h equal 1 or h equal 2. If he stand by using his car 2 hours, but h equal 2. So the constant 10, and each hour we will bid 5 hours, 5 pounds for each hour. Okay, question letter C. Hannah receives a daily wage of B pounds if her expenses in 10 days amount of 325 pounds. The amount remaining with her in 10 days. Okay, in this example, we must find the relation. about letter C. We have 10 multiplication by B, because Hannah receives a daily wage of B pounds if her expenses in 10 days. 10 multiplication by B to find the total amount of 325. To find the remaining, to find the subtract 10B subtract by 325. Okay, because Hannah received a daily wage of B pounds. It's a total 10B. It's a total. She will receive a daily wage of B pounds if her expenses in 10 days. So the total will be 10p. You want to find the remainder with her amount 325. Okay, she will amount the remainder with her in 10 days. It will be 10b subtract 325. Again, had receives a daily wage fee b pounds in 10 days. B times 10. B times 10 is the total with her. Amounted of 325 pounds. To find the remainder with her, write 10b subtract by 325. Because if her expenses in 10 days amounted 325, so the remainder among remaining with her in 10 days, 10 multiplication by b subtract by 325. Question 19. Find the value of this expression. Letter A. 4a minus 15 divided by 3 at a equal 6. Put a equal 6 here. 4a, 4 times 6 equal 24. Subtract by 15 divided by 3. 24 subtracted by 15 divided by 3 equal 5. 24 minus 5 equal 19. Question letter B. Y minus 6 equal 11. Then y will be 17, because 17 minus 6 equal 11. Letter C. 3b equal 45. You must divide it by 3. Then b equal 45 divided by 3 equal 15. Letter D. E divided by 6 equal 3. Then a will be 6 times 3 equal 18. Or 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Dia saves 150 pounds every month for expenses. So if the amount that he saves in X months is Y pounds, then the equation that represents this situation is what? He has the total number, what? He saves 150 pounds every month. So if the amount that he saves in X months is Y, so the total with him will be Y. Y equal 150 multiplication by X. Okay. Letter B. The independent variable here, independent, it will be X. Is input independent here, X, we call that input. Letter C. The dependent variable here equal Y. Letter D. What the saves in a year is 1 here, 1 times 150. Okay, you can find the number. About question 20 here. Letter D. What the saves in a year's 1 year. Okay, put X equal 1. 1 times this number. Letter D. What Dia saves in a year? We know 1 year equal 12 months. Okay, 1 year equal 12 months. Then x here will be equal 12 because x reverses to 1 month. Put x equal 12. Then the result will be 150 multiplication by 12 to find what Dia saves in a year. 1 year. Okay, we know 1 year equal 12 months. So put x here equal 12 because he saved 150 pounds each month. So in the year it's meaning 150 times 12. Write 0 and 12 times 15 equal 180. And the result will be 1800 lira. The result will be 1800 Egyptian lira or pounds. Okay, it's the result. Here it will be 1800. Next question 21. If Hazim owns a discount card of 50 pounds, complete. Letter A. The equation represents the relationship between Hazim purchase amount X pounds and the amount to be paid after discount Y pound. It's a total. Okay, we have the total will be Y. Discount, it's meaning subtract between the total number here X, subtract by 50. Discount the card of 50 pounds. Okay, the independent here it will be X, and the dependent variable here it will be Y. The required amount if purchase price before the distance 420 pounds, it will be what? Put here X equal 420, then Y equal 420, subtract by 50, write 0, and 12 minus 5 equals 7, write 3, and the result will be 350. The result will be 350 pounds. Okay. Question 22. Omar manufacture heights reducing 10 hits per day. Complete the following table representing the number of working days X and the number of hits produced Y. Write equation that shows the relationship between the variables X and Y present on the graphically. Okay, in the graphic I want to draw and write the equation. About question 22, we have the equation here 2 times 10 equal 20. Also we have 10, it's constant X, it's the equation, and complete the table here X and Y. Right here X equal 2 times 10 equal 20. Right 4 times 10 equal 40. Right 7 will be 70 and 9 will be 90, and then draw. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And here coming the image to 90. Okay, write 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 2 to 20, and 4 to 40, and 7 to 70. 70 lies between 60 and 80, and 8 9 to 90, and then draw a line segment here. Okay, it's the equation. Okay, and the solution about this example. Next question, using the following histogram, complete the following interval. About question number 23. from this interval. Look at here, from 0 to 9 it will be 8. And from 10 to 19 the here bar will be 14, and here to the result 6, and here to the result 18, and the result here will be equal 10. Okay, this is second vertical about frequency here.